Yo, what's up mga ka-runners? So this is our week 2, day 3 of our first ever marathon. So natapos na natin yung ating interval training today. So compose siya ng 2 minutes na easy run for the warm up. And then nasundan siya ng 4 sets of 1 kilometer run in 4:30 to 5 pacing. And then by 100 meters walk, yun yung rest niya. Then lastly, last set is another 2 kilometer easy run. So medyo nakakapagod yung training today. Pero so far, sulit naman and I think nakaka-recover na yung legs natin sa ating injury. So yun lang, I hope I encourage you once again to stay active, to be wealthy, to be healthy, and always run for your life for a better living. So kit-kits tayo guys sa Galaxy Manila Marathon. Let's go! Peace!